All right, in today's folder, we're going to be looking at a strategy for evaluating online sources called lateral reading. So we're going to look at vertical reading versus lateral reading. So you're going to have a video that kind of goes over the skill a little bit. So you can start off with watching that, and then you can jump into the activity. And there's a activity guide that you're going to fill out with that. So once you have that downloaded, there's going to be a few different websites that you're going to be taking a look at. And it kind of works in two parts. So first off, you're going to open the website, and then it tells you to read it vertically. So if I'm looking at this website and I'm scrolling down, what it means by reading vertically is what can I find out about um, this page by just reading it up and down. So if I'm just scrolling through here, reading all the different things, what can I learn about the website? And then what did I identify about the website that I thought made it credible or not? And what did you learn about the organization behind this information by reading it vertically? So you could probably you can click on the different links if you want to explore them a little bit more. And that's fine. So that would be considered to be reading vertically. The next step would be to read laterally. So it says now use the lateral reading, answer the following questions. What organization is behind this information, and what can you learn about the organization by reading laterally, and what sources did you use to learn about who's behind this information. So what we would want to do to read laterally is to open up additional tabs. So we're, instead of just reading up and down, we're going to go left and right by opening up new tabs. My cat has joined me now, and we're going to type in against malaria foundation, and we're going to see what other sources we can find about this website to see if, who's behind it. Is there a bias with the information that they're presenting? Those types of things. Okay, so that's what they mean by reading laterally, is we want to go to these other website and see what they have to say about the website. All right, so that's what we're looking at for this activity. See what you can find. Practice these skills that we're taking a look at, and you should be good. Let me know if you have any questions.